Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, and this reading will be past, present, future of this connection. So we have three decks here. So we will see what is the past, what is the present, and what is the future. So if the past is matching with you, then you can see present and future. So in that way, it will be more accurate and resonate with you. So past, present, future of this connection, we will see whatever connection you are having, whatever the whoever is the person that is there in your mind, we will see. Okay, so what is the future of this connection? So what we will do is we have three decks here, and this deck is for past, this deck is for present, and this deck is for future. Okay, then we have three piles here. Pile number one, this white quartz. Pile number two, the tree agate. Pile three, black tourmaline. So any one of that the pile you can choose. If you want more time, you can pause the video and you can meditate on the pile and you can choose it. So that's what I can say, and thank you so much. My heartfelt thanks to all of you who is doing the. Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This pick a card reading was requested by one of the viewer, and I'm getting many emails also, then messages also regarding the readings, and thank you all for the support. Then today's reading will be past, present, future of this connection. I have three piles here. This will be past, this will be present, this will be future. Okay, then we have three piles here as usual. First one is white quartz, second pile is tree agate, third one is black tourmaline. Okay, so whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can meditate on the pile and you can select accordingly. Then while I'm shuffling, you try to concentrate, and you can think about your person so that you can connect with the energies of this reading. Okay, then before starting my reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me. I can see this time I got many views, and that all the credit goes to you who are my viewers, who are my subscribers. They're constantly supporting me. Then thank you, my heartfelt thanks to you, all of you. Then I'll keep on doing my readings and continue to grow my channel, and I'll help others also by doing so. Hope you all liking, and I would like to listen to your comments also, like how you are feeling, whether my readings are resonating with you or not. So I want more inputs and more advices or more feedbacks so that I can work on my channel and my readings. Okay, so my main aim is to help you all, and also this is my passion. Even though I'm very busy with my profession, but still I want to do it. Past 1 year continuously I'm posting my videos, and I want to do it in future also. Okay, so that's all. Enough for this talk. Without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Okay, then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody else. Then take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, that's all. Then we will start the reading. Whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. Okay, let's see what is the past, present, and future of this connection with specific someone. Okay, so someone is there in your mind, and you don't know where it will lead to, this connection. So this pile is for past, and this pile is for present, and this one will be for future. Okay, so let's start the reading. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the past of this connection? What happened in the past? We will know. What happened in the past, spirits and angels? Please guide me to give the correct messages. The Fool, 10 of stars, 6 of stars, bottom of the deck, the Papist. Okay, so let me take a quick look at the cards. 4 of stars. Okay, fine. So what happened was, earlier you were in a very energetic and enthusiastic person in this connection, or you were very active in this connection, or I can say that you were giving more into this connection. Actually, in fact, you wanted to take a risk also in this connection. And I can see strongly Aquarius, Libra, Gemini here. And also I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, I can see all these signs here. Then definitely I can see that you were very involved in this connection with whoever is that person you are thinking about, you are seeing this reading about. Okay, so you wanted to take a risk also for some of you, very few of you. So you thought to run away with this person also. Okay, so whatever connection you are having with this person, you thought to take a risk in this connection, you wanted to take a leap of faith. Okay, so that is what I can see. But I don't know what happened, suddenly your connection got ended. Okay, so for some various reasons it was very painful ending. I can see your connection is ended, and you are into deep pain, depression, very sad. See, please understand that these energies can be vice versa. It can be your person's energies or it can be your energies. Okay, so please take it however it resonates. Okay, so a connection ended, and you or your person, you are praying God. Okay, so whatever happened, whatever ending happened, you wanted to like rectify, or you want to find out a solution to make it work out. So you don't want to end this connection, but it automatically ended. I don't know what is the reason for that. So let me see what is the reason for this ending. Let me pull some cards like a clarifier. So we will see what is the ending. So now you left everything on God. Okay, the Sun. Okay, what I feel is your person. Okay, they are already married. They have a kid also with another their wife or a husband, and they didn't tell you that. Okay, so they were already married and they hid it with you in the past. That is the reason for this breakup. They were very happy in their family life. Maybe they thought they'll play with you, or they play with your feelings, or they flirt with you. So that is what their intention in the past. Okay, so that is why this death also, the death card also came. So this person original face, what do you say, that there is a mask on their face. Okay, so that face off, that means their original face came into light, and you came to know that this person is married, they have kid also. So you didn't know what to do, so you ended this connection. I feel that you, from your side, this connection got ended. Okay, so that is the things that is happened in the past. If you are resonating with the past, then you can continue watching this reading, otherwise you can choose another pile. Okay, this is the past of your connection. So absolutely I can see that this connection is dead. There is no contact, no communication, you don't know what the other person is doing. So there is absolutely ending of this connection. Okay, now let's see what is the present. What is happening right now, spirits and angels? Whoever chose this white quartz, what is happening in their life right now? What is present? What is happening right now in this connection? Same cards popping up. Let's pull one more card. Trust me, this reading will go very long. Okay, the star, bottom of the deck, the star. So still you guys are praying. So this can be from your side or that person's side. So you are praying for this connection. You have a hope. This is a long distance relationship and this person is looking at you from far, or you are stalking them. So please take it whatever resonates. Okay, this can be vice versa. So now this person is looking at you or inquiring about you, or searching in social media. Okay, so this person sees you as a star or a celebrity, or it can be you looking at the other person. Maybe the other person is very famous, maybe famous in their surroundings or their society or their job or whatever it is. You see them as a very successful person or a very stable person, or a famous person, so like that you see. Okay, then you don't know what to do, you are confused, and you or your person have the self-worth issues. Okay, so you don't know how to do it, how to deal with this. You don't know if you contact the other person how they feel about you. So both of you actually in a confusing state. You don't know what exactly is happening, what you are thinking or what the other person is thinking. So you are absolutely confused, and you have other options also meanwhile. Okay, you have other options also, but you don't know whether to choose the other options or you have to wait for this person. You don't know, and you are fighting, you are having inner battle. Okay, so you are repenting. Sometimes you say, why did I involve with this person? This person is kind of a flirt or a cheat. So they cheated me, then why did I involve with this person? Sometimes you are repenting. Okay, sometimes you are feeling very sad, and sometimes you will be like, no, no, I can't accept this defeat. That kind of inner battle is happening. So you are praying God, you have left everything to God, and you are praying for the reunion or reconciliation, or at least some clarity you want from this person, why they did it like that. So you have this you started self-worth issue only because of this person. So you are thinking that how dare they cheated me, or how dare they thought that I am like I'll fall for them, and they hid all the secrets with me. They are already married, they have a kid also. So you are very sad, shameful, or regretful, thinking that why you involved with this person. This is the thing I can strongly feel in this connection, present and present right now. Okay, let us see the future of this connection. Let's see what is the future of this connection. Spirits and angels, please give us what is the future of this connection. What is the future of this connection? Whoever chose this white quartz, what is the future of their connection with the specific someone, with their person? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay, Wheel of Fortune, very nice card as outcome. So it says that you have to wait for the right time. The wheel is turning into your favor, and definitely it will happen in future, not right now, but definitely you will be together. So whatever you want to have with this person, that will fulfill, because the Wheel of Fortune means you have suffered a lot in this, maybe 1 year or 2 years or 10 months. Okay, for some of you I can see 10 months. 10 is very prominent here, even 4 is prominent here. So you have faced a lot, and you cried a lot, or you were in a painful situation for some time, but now the wheel is turning, and definitely this future will be very very good, and whatever you want, you will get it. Please listen to me carefully. Universe is saying future of this connection, whatever you want, it will come. Okay, all these months or years, whatever you are feeling, you are thinking, it will come into your favor. And for some of you, I am hearing that maybe the reconciliation will happen in the month of October. Okay, so this person might come back to you, or give an apology, or maybe explain what exactly happened. Okay, so why they cheated on you. So they will tell everything, maybe in the month of October. For some of you, I'm hearing this message. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this tree agate, so this reading is for you. What is the past, present and future of this connection? Let's see. What is the past, present, future of this connection, Spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the past, present, future of this connection with specific someone? Okay, so please give us some guidance and clarity. Archangel Michael, the Sun, Two of Moons and 10 of Stars. Bottom of the deck, it is 3 of Moons. Okay, this is very clear and evident. Okay, first of all, let me tell you the signs. Maybe the signs I can see here: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I can see the all fixed signs like Leo, Aquarius, Taurus and Scorpio. And I can also see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, these are all the signs I can see here in this reading. So let us come to the point. I can see that you were so happy, both of you. Okay, earlier in the past, you both were very, very happy, and you both thought that you are soulmates, and that much deep bonding you both had, and deep conversations, late night conversations, then so many phone calls, then romantic dinners, or going out. So, and I can see some of you, you both are partners also. Maybe you both are business partners, or maybe working in the same project in office, or something you both were doing together. Okay, so you both were like sharing each other the inputs. Then you both were working very, very closely. Then suddenly something happened, like maybe a third person entered in your life, or maybe this is just a misunderstanding between both of you, or it is just like any third party, can be anything. Okay, then 3 of Moons means it is celebration and enjoying with their friends, or enjoying with the same sex relationships. Okay, no offense here, because this card represents about that for in some cases. Okay, so I'm not saying everybody, some of you. Okay, maybe you came to know that the other person is interested in other people. Okay, maybe same gender or something like that, or you came to know something which is upsetting you about this person. Okay, that is the reason you have ended this connection, because 10 of stars is there, that is 10 of swords. That means that is a very, very painful ending. Even the pile number 1 also same card came. You, if you want, you can see that pile also. So um so this is kind of a painful ending, and you felt like it is backstabbing, very painful, depression, sleepless nights. So many things are there in your mind, like so you are remembering reminiscing the past, where you had very nice time with this person, and now you are regretting, like why did this happen, why it happened to me only, why it is happening to me, why this connection got ended abruptly, it is a very sudden ending, I can say. It is a sudden ending, and something really happened and you came to know some truth about this person. Okay, so this can be a third party, it can be their behavior or some issues, mental issues or something like that. You came to know about this person and you had ended this connection. That is the past. If you are resonating with this past, you can see the present and future also. Otherwise, you can choose another pile. Okay, what is happening right now? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is happening right now? Okay, right now, what is happening in this connection? Please give us some guidance. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel. What is happening in this connection right now? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is happening in this connection right now? Let's see. The Hermit, Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck, it is Two of Pentacles. Okay. So you or your person can be Virgo. Okay. So I can see clearly that you are enjoying your life right now, and you are in a queen position, empress position. Okay, empress means you have everything in your life. You have money, status, then position, everything, whatever you want, you have already with you. For some of you, you are already married and you are pregnant also, or you have a child with another person at the moment. Okay, present. Then you are juggling with these two people. Okay, your spouse and this other person for whom, about whom you are looking at this reading. Okay, so you feel that you both are soulmates, you and the other person. You had nice time earlier in the past, and now you don't know what is this person doing. So what you are doing, you are not doing anything, you are simply waiting for this person, searching for this person, searching the information about this person. You are asking the mutual friends what are they doing, what are they up to. So you are soul searching, meditating. You are trying to know if it is really a soulmate connection, then I should get a signal from universe. So something like that. You are meditating, you are trying to know what exactly. You are trying to communicate with the other person telepathically. Okay, and you are tired, and at the same time you are defensive also. So you don't want to approach them first. So you are very strong in this manner, so you don't want to approach them first, or you don't want to communicate with them first. So you are patiently waiting. Okay, you are tired, you are not feeling well, but still you are waiting for this person to come back or communicate, or something. You want clarity from this person, what they are doing, what they are, why they did it. Okay, so you want to know what is happening. So that is what is the present. So you are waiting for this person. Now let's see, what is the future of this connection, spirit? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the death. Okay, I'm sorry to say there is not much positive movement in this connection. So it is already ended and it is dead right now. I mean, your communications and all, it got ended long back. I feel that some years back you were with this person, but now you moved on in your life. You married to someone, you are happy in your life, but at the same time in one corner you are thinking about this person, because you are not able to forget this person, because you had very nice moments with this person, and you have spent many happy moments with this person. But unfortunately this relationship is ended, and there are chances to rebirth. Okay, this is death and rebirth. So there are chances of new beginnings, but not right now, not in the near future. Okay, so Please try to understand and take it maturely. So it will be like rebirth will be there, but it will take time. Okay, if you can wait for this person so long, then it is up to you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. What is the past, present, future of this connection? What is the past, present, future of this connection, spirits? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the past, present, future of this connection? What is the past? What exactly happened in the past? Please give us some clarity. Let's see what happened in the past. Spirits and angels, one card flipped through. Okay, again in the 3 cards, believe me, 3 piles, it is 10 of swords. Okay, let's see more cards. 3 of pentacles, 2 of stars and 10 of stars. Bottom of the deck, the sun. Okay, I can see here Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you or your person may be having in your chart. Then I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and also I can see fixed signs. Okay, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. Okay, these are all the signs I can see in this spread. So let's come to the point. Actually the sun. So earlier in the past, you both had very happy moments. You both were very happy with each other. You had nice romantic moments, and for some of you, you have a child also with this person. Maybe some of you are married to this person. Maybe you are looking looking at this reading about your spouse, okay, or your ex. So that's what this person is. Earlier in the past, the connection was very happy, and you both were enjoying your life and having a pleasant moments in your life. Very happy, bright and sunshine, active, roaming around, going out, then spending time with each other, going for vacations, trips. Okay, you had, maybe some of you have roamed around different countries also. So you had a very happy life with this person. But later what happened, some third party or the family interference. Okay, I can see the family interference, or this person started a new job or a business, maybe some new venture. So this person was very busy in this connection, in that matters. Then after that, both of you started fighting with each other and blocked each other. 2 of stars is there. So slowly this connection got ended. The fights become more bigger and bigger. Even I can see the family was also involved in this connection. If you are really married with each other, I can see the family involvement also in this connection. Okay, because of that, you were unable to live a peaceful life after they started a new business or a new job, or they have relocated somewhere. From that time this problem started. Then finally the fights become bigger and bigger. You blocked each other. Now there is no communication and the connection is completely ended. For some of you, maybe you have taken the divorce also. Okay, so this 10 of stars represents that you have ended this connection in all ways and means. Now you don't have any clue about this person, what this person is doing or where are they. Even if you know also, you cannot interfere in their life. Okay, so that's all messages I'm getting for the past. Then if your past is resonating with this, then you can see the present and future. Otherwise you can choose another pile. So let's come back to the present. What is happening at the moment right now? What is happening at the moment in this connection? What is happening right now in this connection? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is happening in this connection right now? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is happening in this connection right now? Five of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Six of Cups, and the Three of Wands. Okay, so I can see here maybe you or your person, most probably your person, they are deeply dug into some financial crisis. Maybe they lost their job or lost their finance, bankruptcy. So something very big thing happened in their life. Okay, that is the reason they are very health also is not well. They are maybe some people are admitted in the hospital also, so their health also got affected, they are wounded. Okay, because of this financial issues and financial problems. So they are not doing anything right now, they are simply waiting for the right time. Okay, they are even they did not leave you also, they are holding the wand in their hand and they are waiting for you, and they are waiting for the right time. But someone, maybe you or your person, as I told you already, you are married with this person, you are looking for your this reading for your spouse, or maybe you have the children with this person, you are into a queen's energy. Okay, so you or your person are into, one person is in financial crisis, and the other person came into the like queen's position. Okay, and maybe you both got divorced, and for some of you I'm telling you, okay, I'm getting the messages, some of you are got divorced with this person, and you are stable now with this settlement money or L money or child support. Okay, because of that you are in a stable position financially, I'm talking about, and you are very strong now, and we are you are straightforward, cutthroat. Earlier maybe you were very soft, sensitive, maybe you were you had many feelings for this person, but right now you are strong, you are standing on your feet. Okay, and for some of you I feel that you met somebody also, like your childhood friend or childhood classmate, college mate, or anybody. Okay, you met somebody new in your life, but this person is old only. Maybe you started a new connection with another person. So that is what happening right now. So you both are not like lovers or something like that, or any connection, but you are friendly with the other person. Okay, your past person, whoever came into your life and recently, so you are friendly with this person. But I can't say that you are lovers or you are having connection with this person. No, you are just a pure innocent friendship. Okay, for some of you maybe the attraction also is there. So you are slowly trying to move on in your life, forgetting the past. That is what I can feel. You are going away from this connection, that's what I want to say. Okay, this is the present of this connection. Now let's see what is the future. What is the future of this connection, spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the what is the future of this connection, spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, Judgment. Okay, definitely I feel that Judgment card means this is reconciliation. So maybe your past person is coming back into your life. Maybe if it is your wife or a husband, they are coming back into your life, and you will reconcile with this person, and you will have a happy life, because Judgment means angels and spirit guides are supporting this connection. Okay, they are supporting your person, or they are moving your person towards you. Okay, this person will definitely come back to you, because Judgment card is there, reconciliation will happen, and it will not happen so soon as you expect, maybe in 1 month or 2 months, like that. Maybe after 6 months this connection will come into a fruition. Okay, you both will reconcile, and you will have the happy life which you had earlier. Okay, like you were having the sun card came, right? You were very happy with this person, so those days will come back in your life again. That's what I can see here. That's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.